Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at Algorand or Algo, currently at the $0.245 level. We are currently ranked at 43 with a market cap of about $1.96 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about $123 billion. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and the update on the bull market price prediction right here for Algorand. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So on the week or for this week, we are up a whopping 24.2% right here for Algorand. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for Algorand versus the USD dollars. We're on the daily time frame, and Binance is the data source, right? And Algorand continues to remain bullish. As you can see, we have continued to meet all our bullish targets. And as you can see, we said Algorand is still bullish and we are still expecting higher upside, right? And as you can see, we got bullish right here. So when prices went above the bull market EMA, this blue line right here. And as you can see, since then, we have seen this massive push to the upside of about 140% right here for Algorand. And we said Algorand is still bullish and we are still expecting furthermore upside right here for Algorand. So far, Algorand continues to meet our criteria. First, we said first our trend or our micro trend must be bullish. And as you can see, we said we must be above our bull market EMA. And since then, we have seen prices do that. We have seen prices also got into or get into both of our targets right here for December. First the 20 cents, then the 23 cents, right? Those are our targets right here for December. And we have gotten exactly to the T, right? Could we still see prices push even to the 28 cents? Very, very likely, right? We could see another push into that 28 cents, right? That could be another 16% push to the upside. Very likely, but we have met all our targets right here since we started the bull market right here in October. We have seen that massive push to the upside of about 140% right here for Algorand, right? And we basically have been saying, right, that on the volume profile that so far Delta is still in favor of the bulls right here on the volume profile. We said continue to expect furthermore upside right here for Algorand, as we have still been seeing that Delta is still in favor of the bulls and we are still seeing this sort of massive push to the upside right here in terms of volume and momentum, right? So Algorand still remains bullish and we are still expecting higher, right? Congratulations to everybody who has been with us right here from the bottom, and we have ridden this push to the upside. We are still expecting higher, and if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the share button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.